What's up guys, welcome back to another review. We're taking a look at the LEGO Iron Man helmet today. This is set number 76165, consists of 480 pieces and it's from the 18 plus range. This set was released in 2020 and retired in October of 2021. It was on the shelf for around 15 months. This set was available at the time for £54.99, but it has since increased in value slightly. I think I paid around £70 for this set, including delivery. Some sellers are selling it for a lot more, some a little bit less. At first glance, I don't believe the box to do this set justice. I do think it looks better in real life. I'm not sure why this is, maybe it's to do with the angles of the pictures, but the face looks quite flat and it doesn't look very good. But it actually does look really good in real life. It's a 4-bag set, 1 book. It's a very straightforward build, approximately 1 hour's build time for an experienced builder, and it is quite an enjoyable build. It's a very sturdy little set, not too many moving pieces. There's a couple of bits to make the jawline that are a little bit flimsy and not looking the best. The set comes with 2 stickers and 3 printed pieces. The printed pieces are the plaque and the 2 earpieces, and the 2 stickers are that of the eyes. Overall, I think the details are really good. I believe this is based on the Iron Man Mark 85 helmet from 2019. Let me know in the comments if you're in agreement or if I've got that wrong. There is not a great deal to report on about this set other than it looks really good. The colours are really nice and there's plenty of gold in there, which looks really good too. In my humble opinion, I would have probably preferred it to be slightly larger, but overall I think it's okay. A little bit bigger would have just made it that little bit better, especially as mine is displayed next to the UCS Hulkbuster, so it is quite small in comparison. For a small set, as I say, I think they've captured the details quite nicely. The face looks really good. I like how they've created the gold to make it look like the removable mask section. It looks really good. But this was always going to be an exceptionally short review. There's not too much for me to report on. As I say, I think it's a very nice set. It could have been slightly bigger. It's very quick build time, but it looks really nice on the shelf. I don't believe the box pictures do it justice, but in real life it does look better. But that's it guys, that's all from me. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.